Hi guys, in this video we will build a mini project, a floating info box using everything we've learned. So first you are going to create a structure. Start with a simple div tag with some text inside, maybe a title and a short message. Second, style the box. Add padding for space inside, a background color. Last, layout improvement. You will use width and margin to make sure the box looks balanced and not too big. So you will see a shortcode and you can take it as a guide. I give you 10 seconds to do the project. Please pause the video and make the project by yourself. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you are okay. You are here to learn. Okay, we will see the project. So now we have the project. It is beautiful, so I hope that you could do it. And great job! You just create a floating info box using the box model, positioning and sizing techniques. These are real skills for real websites. Keep going, bro. You are doing awesome.